Hello guys, welcome to that 150 section 0507 fully online class in the fall 2026 semester. And in this video, I'm going to give you a brief introduction to our Brightspace course and also all the important course information. So the first step, we log on to Brightspace and then go back to course home. I post the announcement about my background and then some email and also the response time. If you email me, I will respond within 24 hours throughout the full semester. So the first thing is we're going to go to the syllabus textbook formula sheet. And here, let's open the syllabus. Let's go over syllabus really quickly. You can download the syllabus. Open that. So this is the Math 150 section 0507 Intro to Stats course, fully online in the fall 2026. My name's here, Lee, and then my email address. So this course has 4 credits, right? And then you're gonna need a mandatory course material. We are using this Lumen online platform. It is open source platform, but you need to copy this course ID. Okay. Click on copy, and then if you want, you can click on this Lumen Learning, and basically it will take you to the Lumen home platform. So since you are new to the system, so you need to enroll in a new course. Okay. Now here you can copy paste the course ID, and then you don't need an enrollment key. Leave that blank. Now you click on enroll. And click on enroll, and then you double check the course name for 2026 Math 150 section 0507 fully online. My name is here, which is good, and then you click on enroll. And once you enroll successfully, you need to sign up to the home platform. So you need to put in a username, password, and confirm password, and first and last name, and then your email address. Let's say BMCC, right? And then once you complete all of that, check both boxes and click on submit, and then your account will be created. And once you create your account, then you can just sign in, right? Sign in, going back to the home page, sign in with your username and password. Now you have access to our online home platform, and you should be able to see this course, right? Math 2026, Math 150, section 0507. Click on that, and all the homework assignments and the quizzes has been created in this home platform. And every week, almost every week, you're gonna have a homework and a quiz, and then together with the due date. Right? So basically, let's say you work on home assignments, you just follow this due date carefully. Usually it's due on Sunday, right? Every homework and a quiz. If you click on that, you can open the homework, and then basically it has an embedded calculator here. So you can also use that, right? It's a scientific calculator. You can use it to complete the homework throughout the semester. And yeah, so basically for most of the homework, you can try as many times as possible. So and then the high score will be counted, right? A quiz, you can try that 3 times, and then the high score will be counted as well. And up to chapter 5, when you complete chapter 1 to chapter 5, you're going to have a midterm exam. And the midterm exam is due on Sunday, October 25. And you also want to use a practice midterm to prepare for the actual midterm. and you're allowed to take the midterm 2 times, and the higher score be counted towards the final grade. Okay. Yeah, so let me see. So this is basically what a midterm look like. Okay. And also, once you finish chapter 6 all the way to chapter 10, you're going to have a final exam, right? So the final is due on Sunday, December 13th. Right, and then you can use practice final to prepare. Okay. So that's pretty much about our homework platform. Okay, and then let's reopen the syllabus. Okay, and let's continue where we left off. So sign up onto the homework platform as soon as possible. And also you need a scientific calculator, right? So since that's embedded scientific calculator, then you can use that to complete all coursework in the homework platform. And if you know how to use Microsoft Excel, you can also use that, right? That's optional. I recommend a book called Essentials of the Statistics 5th edition by Mario Triola. And also I posted the PDF file under the in our Brightspace course under the textbooks, syllabus, textbook, and the formula sheet. You also can use the formula sheet for the entire course, right, including midterm and finals. And if you like to read the textbook PDF file, you can just click on it, and this is pretty comprehensive book. If you want to dig deeper into this topic, is that. All right, and then next thing it will be grade distribution. So all the homework is worth 30%, and then all quizzes are worth 20%. Midterm is worth 20%, and final is worth 20%. And also, this course covers measure of center variations and probability theories and random variables, binomial distribution, normal distribution, sampling distribution, estimation theory with confidence intervals, hypothesis testing, correlation, and regression. Also, if you a disabled student, meaning you register with the BMC's Office of Accessibility, you can send me an email and I will provide a proper accommodation for you. And also, BMC Policy on Plagiarism and Academic Integrity Statement. So you can seek help on the homework assignments, but you have to work independently on quizzes, midterm, and final, right? That's basically the requirement. Also, the outline of topics, we will cover Chapter 1, Introduction to Stats, Chapter 2, Organizing and Analyzing Data, Chapter 3, Measures of the Centered Variations, Chapter 4, Probability, Chapter 5, Discrete Random Probability Distribution, Chapter 6, Normal Distribution and Central Limit Theorem, Chapter 7, Confidence Interval, Chapter 8, Hypothesis Testing, and Chapter 10, Regression and Correlation. If you need help with your home assignment, you can go to MathLab S535 for tutoring service, and you should complete your coursework on time, right? Follow the due date here in the Luma homework platform closely. Email me if you have any questions for the semester. So this is fully online class, so we do not meet on a weekly basis. No meeting. And then that's basically the first items, right? In this Brightspace course. Textbook, PDF file textbook, formula sheet. And let's look at the second item here. It's a course guide, right? So course guide is kind of a summary page, providing all the. I also created a shortcut of the Lumen homework platform. If you click on it, and then click on the link here, it will take you to the our home platform, Lumen. And also the course guide. So the course guide provides the central document for the due date. So it's also consistent with you click on it, download the file. It's consistent with all the due dates in our Brightspace course. So once you download this, you open it. Yeah, so on week 1, right? On Friday is the first day of the semester, fall semester, August 28th. And then you just set up your Brightspace email account properly, go through the syllabus, course guide, complete orientation sections in Lumen. So that's orientation homework in Lumen. If you go back to Lumen, okay, in our course, Lumen course, and then you see that that's orientation homework is due on Sunday, September 6th. Okay. Now basically just give you an introduction of the format of the questions in Lumen homework platform. All right, and also each chapter together with the due date, it's over here, as well as midterm. So you're supposed to complete midterm starting on Monday, October 19th, and then you can finish by October 25. That's a due date. And also the final exam, also it's listed here that you can start on December 7th and then finish by December 13th. And then you can also finish the entire course ahead of the time. Right? Let's say if you want to complete a course, let's say a month before the semester ends, that's okay. You can finish everything before the due date, official due date, which is December 13th. That's totally fine. And then also go back here, go back to course home one more time. And also creating all the lecture videos and the PowerPoint. You can also find those videos and a PowerPoint under this lecture videos PPT. And basically, on a weekly basis, you log on to Brightspace. First of all, review the PowerPoint together with the videos. So each chapter will have multiple PowerPoint and videos. You need to review this thoroughly. And once you review this, then all the sections in each chapter, then you log on to Lumen and then complete the homework and quizzes. So the second link is the video. It's labeled probably it's a YouTube video, and you can review this multiple times if necessary. Okay, so that's basically how this works. How the course contents will be delivered throughout the semester. And follow this, these videos closely in the PowerPoint. Once you review them thoroughly, you should be able to complete the homework and quizzes. And then that's pretty much. Also, I will post this video under the brief introduction of Brightspace course. You can click on it and it'll take you there. You can review this video and then go get the course information carefully. Okay. All right, so again, if you encounter any difficulty or have any questions throughout the semester, please send me an email and I'll get back to you within 24 hours. And I hope you enjoy the course.